Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to add Capcut Smooth Shake. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by adding your clips and adjusting them to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, head over to the effects section and select Video Effects. Look for the rebound swing effect and select it. Adjust the settings by setting the speed and size to 0 and set the intensity to around 22 or 23. After making these adjustments, tap OK. Next, go back to the effects and select the shake effect. Add this effect at the very beginning of your clip to give it a dynamic start. Once you've done that, go to Overlay and add a white overlay to your video. Then go to the Splice option and select Overlay to blend the white overlay with your clip. Now, it's time to add an animation. Go to the Animations tab, select the Out category, and choose the Fade Out animation. Finally, tap on your clip and select the Shake 3 inches animation. Adjust the length of this animation to cover only half of your clip. Repeat these steps for all your clips and you'll have a dynamic and engaging edit. So that's basically how to add Capcut Smooth Shake. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.